If you're a student, you know how overwhelming university life can get, with assignments, notes, deadlines, and group projects all piling up. That's why I wish I had found Notion earlier. Notion is more than just a note-taking app. It's an all-in-one productivity hub that can completely change how you organize your college life. With Notion, you can take lecture notes, organize research, and track assignments all in one place. You can create databases for courses, deadlines, and tasks, and even use calendars or Kanban boards to visualize your workload. Another reason I wish I had started using Notion sooner is its flexibility. You can customize your workspace to fit your personal style, add icons and covers for easy navigation, and even embed PDFs, videos, and Google Docs directly into your notes. Group projects become so much easier with Notion's collaboration features, allowing you to share pages, assign tasks, and comment in real time. You can also use Notion AI to summarize notes, generate ideas, or rewrite content, which is perfect when you're trying to study or brainstorm essays at the last minute. Notion isn't just for managing schoolwork, it also helps with personal productivity, like tracking habits, planning your week, or managing a side project. Honestly, I wish I discovered Notion earlier because it would have saved me so much time and stress in college. If you're a student looking to get organized and stay productive, give Notion a try. And if this video inspired you to start using Notion, don't forget to like and subscribe for more university tips, productivity hacks, and Notion tutorials.